Hi everyone! If you guys are interested in knowing the details on this gorgeous U-part wig from LuvMe Hair, then stay tuned. Hey y'all, this your girl Bridget Nicole. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. And if you are back visiting, welcome back. So jumping straight into it, let's get into the details of this wig I have on. So this wig is from the company LuvMe Hair, and it is their U-part unit. And it did not come in this color. I personally dyed this hair myself. So as you can see, you can dye this hair. I just basically ombre it. And if you are interested in seeing how I ombre pretty much all of my wigs, I will put a link to that video down below in the description box. This is the 18-inch wig, and I will say that it is true to length. And this is in the BodyWave texture. The bundles did come a natural dark brown color. So yeah, you know how bundles pretty much come in all of the same color all the time. That's basically the color of this wig. That's basically the color that this wig came in. As far as the construction of this wig, it does have 2 adjustable straps at the back, and it also has 3 combs right in the U-part area. It has one here, and one at the back, and it snaps in real easily. One thing that I will say, I pretty much have like a medium size head, I feel like, and it is very loose. So with it being so loose, you're gonna want to like bobby pin it down the perimeter to make sure that it, you know, it lays pretty flat. So yeah. Okay, as far as the fullness, this is all of the hair to the front. So that goes to show you it's really not that full. It's bittersweet when it comes to this fullness because, okay, by it not being this full, it looks so much more natural like this. I thought I was about to sneeze. Give me a second. Give me a second. It feels like I'm about to sneeze, but it doesn't want to come. Okay, maybe not. Okay. So anyways, so yeah, about the fullness. It looks natural this way, but I personally would have preferred if they put in another bundle. Yeah, another bundle would have made this look more fuller, obviously. But if you are one of those girls that like really full, voluminous hair, then this wig, as you can see, I mean, it's just not gonna cut it. I can tell you now that if I straighten this hair, I'm not gonna like it. It's gonna be way too thin. So yeah, they were very skimpy when it comes to the density of this wig. Yeah, it's not really that dense. It's not. As far as the parting area when it comes to this unit, like, your hair is going to blend so seamlessly with this wig, like seamless, okay? Like seamless. I personally have all natural hair. Like, I don't have any chemicals. I'm relaxer free, and I'm actually like a type 4. And all you have to do is, you know, braid up your hair, whatever you want to do to it. In the back, leave out a small section of, you know, your hair and flat iron it or whatever to blend it, and it blends perfectly. Like, it blends so perfectly. So you definitely won't have a problem with, as far as, you know, worrying about. So you definitely won't have a problem with your hair blending with this hair. It's going to blend so perfect. Like, look at that. You can't even tell. Let me try to pick up a piece of my hair. Yeah, this is my hair right here. And yeah, seamless. As far as it holding a curl, it does hold a curl. I will give it that. Now, does it keep a tight curl as far as what you started off with whenever you curled it with a curling iron? No. It does fall, but it doesn't fall like that much. So I'll give it that. It does hold a curl. Especially if you add in some holding spray, it will definitely hold your curl all day. Yes, it will. As far as tangling and shedding for me is very, very minimal. I don't really experience any tangling or any shedding at all. I really don't. As far as longevity of this wig, I've had this wig a good minute. I've had this hair, I want to say a good 3 months. I've had this hair, yeah. Originally I did leave it black, and then about a month after I had it, I decided to dye it. And as you can see, it takes to dye quite well. So yeah, you can dye this hair, you can dye this wig. So yes, this wig is very, very natural looking. And not only that, whenever I received the wig, I also got other things along with the wig. I got a flat iron, a little makeup bag, what else? An elastic band, some lashes, some tweezers, a rat tail comb. I got all kinds of stuff with this wig, so that is definitely a plus. I don't know about you, but I love free stuff. So for them to send over some free stuff along with the wig, like, that's a plus. So is this wig worth buying? I would definitely say yes. Oh, not only that, speaking of buying, I purchased this wig with my own money. Yes, with my own coins. This video is not sponsored. They did not send me this wig. I spent my own hard-earned cash on this wig. So yes, it's definitely worth buying. And not only that, you can go to their Facebook page and they'll have like tons of women on there, like taking pictures in this wig and other wigs, and like they'll let you know, like, this company is definitely legit. Their hair is definitely what's up. So I would definitely purchase this wig if I was you. So, and then they're so affordable, like, you can't beat that, right? So yeah, I think that's pretty much all I have to say about this hair. Like, as you can see, it's so bouncy and pretty. Like, this hair is so pretty. You're gonna get compliments on this hair. You are definitely going to get that. So, yep, it's worth the buy. So, like always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, y'all, bye.